Hi guys, what's up? So today I'll be making my first YouTube video. It's the Snoopy 50th silver anniversary model from Omega. So this model commemorates the 50th year of the moon landing that was in 1969. Jadi langsung aja guys, gua bakal unboxing, preview and give you my personal opinion and takes on the watch. Nah guys, dari jam ini 80% penampilan jam ini adalah dibobotkan dari dus packaging yang termasuk dalam jam ini. From the box itself, you can see it's very well presented. Dari warna biru dan presentasi stitchingnya, lambang Snoopy dan printnya di dalam. Pokoknya ini in terms of like watch packaging, Rolex jauh kalah lah. And like well done to Omega for making this a top tier watch. Jadi we'll take a closer look at the watch itself. Jam ini menurut gua warnanya lumayan bagus in terms of its gradiency and its mixture. Itu di mix biru sama putih. It has never been done before. Kalau dilihat Rolex Panda hitam putih. Ini pertama kalinya menurut gua jam Omega yang sangat bagus dan it has a lot of history to it. And also its presentation is top notch. Nah, di sini guys, gua mau emphasize put more note on what you actually get when you purchase this watch. So, jadi lu dapat kayak some sort of cloth and then like ada printed out with like the Snoopy embossing with the 50th anniversary. And in the watch below you get a magnifying glass that has the Omega brand on it. Warnanya juga matching, navy with the box, with the watch. Everything is color coordinated, and in my opinion this watch is very nice because bobotnya 80% of the presentation is the watch and its accessories, and I just fell in love with what the watch comes with. Like the box, everything is very unique and like it's a must-have lah in your collection. Oh iya guys, gue juga hampir lupa mau jelasin ini. Jadi di dalam box ini kita juga dapat it's like a pamphlet or a brochure some sort of kind, but it explains the history of what happened in the 1969 moon landing. And what it really does is just elaborates and put an exclamation mark of what happened in 1969 during the moon landing and why this watch is made and why Omega puts so much time and effort to make a statement of this watch in the watch market. Okay guys, so let's move on to like the watch itself. Jadi gua dulu itu nggak begitu demen sama Omega because from my perspective it's just a normal watch with like an Omega logo. I don't see like the significance of the Omega brand, but like with this model in particular, like the blue and the white is such a nice gradiency, and like the features of the case back is what really got my heart. So ya dari sini kita bisa lihat the earth rotates as the second hand moves, and then the ship that Snoopy is in is where the chronograph hand is moving. So you can see both the earth and the spaceship is moving simultaneously as the watch functions. Okay guys, so I took a video of the watch on hand. I mean on wrist. How it looks on wrist, the feel. Jujur lumayan kaku sih strapnya, tapi with the color combination like it's okay. I think it's still stiff, masih kaku. It's because I think it's still new. The comfort is good. I like the dial size. It's very nyaman lah ya di wrist because I have a small Asian wrist, and overall I just like the dial, man. It's really nice. I like blue because it's obviously the most desirable color in watches, but itu nggak selalu paling enak buat lihat jam. Dan ini putih, jernih, enak banget, dan ada a touch of blue which is very nice. I would say Omega really did well on the dial, on the case size. The feel is good. I just feel like maybe they should do it in a bracelet, like have the both configurations, the bracelet and the strap, which makes it more complete. Okay guys, so I want to discuss further on the pros and cons of this watch essentially. Jadi jam ini itu it's like trading around 450 to 480 juta lah ya. And like the most frequent questions that I normally get is like, bro, menurut lu ini jamnya bakal naik gak harganya? Atau menurut lu is this investment grade watch or not? Menurut gua pribadi, if you really like the watch and you want to wear it daily and you want it to have on your collection, the resale price is irrelevant. Menurut gua sih, it's as simple as that. But if you're looking at a watch that you want to have your money parked in, safe, an investment grade watch essentially, ya lu harus beli Rolex. Atau enggak lu harus beli certain types of watches that is already well known to keep its value. Jadi, it's not for everyone, but it's definitely for you guys who are collecting watches and building your watch collection, because this watch has so much history on it, and like essentially menurut gua perlengkapan di dalam jam ini bisa diadu dengan Rolex dan AP. Nah, menurut gua ya guys, I wasn't always an Omega fan. Like you can always ask my friends when like they ask for my opinion. Bro, menurut lu Omega bagus gak? Menurut gua Omega is like a second level lah compared to Rolex and AP. Tapi after seeing this watch, I don't know why it just really captures my heart in terms of its sleek design, its colorway, and its features on the watch and its presentation. Dan menurut gua dengan harga 450 sampai 480 juta, obviously if you're not that getol in terms of your watch collections, maybe it's not the right piece for you, because at 450 to 480 juta lu bisa dapetin a Daytona, which is a better investment grade, and you can still wear it on a daily basis. Tapi if you're looking for something unique, something that commemorates a piece of history, and like not everyone has, because this is a much rarer timepiece compared to other Rolexes or APs, then definitely this is a piece that's worth trying and then worth collecting. I'm pretty sure this piece nggak mungkin lah turun jeblok harganya like other pieces. It will always stay constant or even appreciate in time.